Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to stop promotional mail in your Gmail account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Gmail. The next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon from the top corner. The next thing you need to do is to click on Google account. The next thing you need to do is to swipe this way and make sure you go to security right here. Then you have to simply scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to your connection to third-party app and services. Click on see all connection right here. So it's going to take you right here. So here you see all apps that can send you a promotional mail into your Gmail account. And for you to stop any app or website from sending you promotional mail into your Gmail account, make sure you choose on the particular app or website right here. I'm going to use this particular Reddit as an example. I'm going to simply click on it. And this is going to pop up. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on delete all connection you have with Reddit. Then here, delete the connection you have with Reddit. Click on confirm. You are no longer connected to Reddit. You can connect to Reddit again at any time. Click on here to close this pop-up and you'll be redirected right here. And the app or the website will be totally removed right here. And with that, they will no longer be able to send you a promotional mail into your Gmail account. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Gmail on mobile, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.